statue.
The angel in Arius. I'm sure you've heard the Cathedral of Light.
Oh,
babbling
Diablo
about that
3
Holy
had that.
Father. Well, he's real. An angel walks among us.
Ooh. That makes me think. We have
That's not linear.
devils and vampires and all kinds of stuff in whole life, but we don't have an angel, right? I mean, everybody says that Toa Maji Tenchi, yeah, but you know, let's be serious for a moment. We don't have an angel? Oh, wait, Kanata! I guess I thought more of her as a gorilla. Wait, they put a devil and an angel in the same gen? Huh. Well played. You're right. You're right. I'm sorry. Sometimes, you know, it's just some of these girls. You know, me too. We make you forget what we're supposed to be. Wouldn't you agree? Like, we don't really show these character traits much, do we? It's very tempting to check. Oh, I